quicker across there. That's the tent we were looking at. So the,
but we want the main road there.
okay.
That way or this way?
Beautiful natural landform, this, isn't it?
Into the Stewart House, the restaurant there, and then
Alice in Wonderland was the one I was talking about.
Oh, yeah.
That impressed me a little bit more than
Yeah, had a lot going on. Yes.
Yeah.
And as
It
far as
wasn't just
water.
the Alice one, and it was the whole water garden thing and the whole valley.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah, there were several, weren't there?
Yeah.
Different flavour.
And that was also in the middle of summer when flowers blooming, so.
Gotcha. And that had loads of water gardens, didn't it? Yeah, that was a network. That was beautiful. Where was it? On the way to Portland Bill?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, so that's South Coast. Yeah, that was unexpectedly brilliant, wasn't it?
Trying to think of a way to have that tied onto your arm so when you dive you don't have to hold it at all.
Oh, okay. I suppose you just let it hang. because it's very good at keeping level horizon. Doesn't matter if it buffets around and wiggles, I suppose.
You know what I mean? Because you want to focus on the dive.
Yeah, great. Maybe you could hang it from your weight belt. Ooh, hello. House.
That's the steward's house.
Is it? God, it looks so much bigger from here.
Oh, you saw the side of it.
Yeah. Wow, what a view for them. View. I'll tell you what, if you were doing mermaiding with it, wear a belt, let it dangle and drag behind you, because that's the good shot anyhow of the fluke, isn't it? Looking ahead, person, but with the fluke in the foreground, looking forward underneath.
Dangling and you're just kind of like, all the view you get is the bottom of the sea or your belly.
Unless you're going along quick enough so it's coming out pretty much behind you, but of course lower down. Not big. Yeah, following my nose. Oh, there's a sign up here, I think. I'll have a look. On the sculpture trail, there should be one around here. Yeah. Oh, there she is.
I was like, where is she? Where is she?
It's got a head of branches. That's about it.
Yeah. I think I'm looking much further
Yeah.
away.
It's good size though. play hand.
I've not played that for a while. Can't remember the tune. It's really bad.
Autumn in your. Sculpture? Oh, I think that's the end of the sculpture.
There's another one, there's a lady on the floor.
Oh, yes, I know the one.
But you would have seen the sign because they would have had signs. There it is.
Is it really?
There's people standing in front of it.
Yeah, looking at something.
Yeah, it's right there. Remember we went to a tiny little fishing place and it had a farm shop, and we went to a tiny small near Tremayne, and it had a really small woodland, and it had a little tiniest little like woodland mountain, tiny sculpture.
That rings a bell.
And I thought that was really cute.
Yes.
It's a bit more discreet, and then
oh god, yeah, around the woodland.
just a little one.
Yeah, yeah.
But
Yeah,
it has
hidden
loads
away.
of like, hidden little sculpture.
That's right.
Yeah,
Oh,
I really
God.
have to look for it, and I thought
Yeah.
that was really cute.
Yeah, that was great. And that was in a really weird place, wasn't it?
Yeah.
That woodland. So we did go for the little sculptures then, and must have.
No, we didn't know it was there. We just like,
Really?
oh, this is. Didn't know it was there.
Okay.
There you go.
Oh, cheers. No, mate. Yeah, unfortunately most sculpture parks are. Is that it?
Was that just the gates? Darling, what's being walking?
Yes.
That's nice. I remember that tree with those leaves and the seeds in the leaves. Unless I'm thinking of something probably completely different.
What, from the tree identifying point? Is that what you were saying?
No, no. I just remember there was like a bush and the leaves were that colour, that shape, but translucent, and then off the stem
yeah,
you could see through it. And just, yeah, because of two two
No.
seeds, right?
That's called that plant's called harmony because I like it as a dry plant. So
Okay. Ooh, obstacle course.
it's a bush,
Yeah,
not a tree.
yeah, I know. I said a bush.
Oh, okay, but not that.
No.
No, they normally when they're not they're green. And when they dry up, they kind of go transparent.
Oh, you do have dry versions, don't you? Maybe that's where I've seen it. And do some balancing.
Right. So there we are.
And that is the found gardens of Heligan. All good. Should we say goodbye? Go on then.
Well, goodbye, what since we
Yeah.